If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve performance and reduce lag. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Reducing options like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help the game run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize network connection. If you're playing online, ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and consider resetting your router to improve network performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in Los Santos.